Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Before we going to start today's video, I just want to say all of you kindly like, subscribe and share. Okay, so today we have to discuss the very important thing. This is storing data. You can see storing data. Okay, types of memory. First, we have to discuss the types of memory. There are two types of memory. The first one is a RAM, random access memory. The second one is a ROM, read-only memory. Okay. Here are two types of memory. The first one is a random access memory. The second one is a read-only memory. Okay. So if we talk about RAM and ROM, what is the difference? Main difference between ROM and RAM. So you can see here, RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM are both types of computer memory. RAM is used to store computer programs and data that CPU needs in real time. Okay. If you talk about the RAM and ROM, both are the types of memory, but RAM stores computer data that the CPU needs in a real time, and RAM is a volatile memory. It is raised once the computer switch off. Volatile memory means temporary memory. RAM is a temporary memory. If you are working on a computer, all the data will be safe in RAM. Okay, but if suddenly a light switch off, okay, suddenly you have any mishap with your PC, then all the data is safe in RAM is erased. All the data safe in RAM is deleted. Okay, but ROM is a pre-recorded data, and it is used to boost a computer. If we talk about the ROM, read-only memory, the main memory means if we check the RAM and ROM, na ROM stores all the data for permanently. ठीक है? RAM stands, RAM stands for random access memory. It stores the data just only. Yeah, you say the whenever you are working on a computer, all the data safe in RAM, but all the data safe in ROM when all the computer will be shut off, shut down. Okay. Okay, here are some points of RAM. RAM is a temporary data is available when computer is running. Okay, and ROM it's run. Sorry, if you talk about ROM, it runs the computer. Data is permanent. When computer shut down, data is not erased. The main difference is in RAM data is temporary and ROM data is permanent. And in RAM we have the all the data will be available when computer is running, and ROM data will be safe, okay, not erased, not deleted when computer is shut down. जबकि बेटा in RAM all the data will be erased अगर हमारा shut down हो जाता है computer. By the way, kinds of computer are secondary and primary. There are two main kinds of memory. That the first one is a memory. The first one is a primary memory, and the second one is a secondary memory. Primary memory means inside the computer. Okay, inside the CPU. The primary memory we have inside the CPU. RAM and ROM is a primary memory. Okay, secondary memory where you say outside the computer. Okay, that we if you want to shift data from one PC to another PC, so you can use the secondary memory. Okay. Primary memory is the main memory of in the computer. It store data and program that can be accessed directly by the processor. Okay. बच्चे keep this in your mind कि computer can, or yeah, used to say कि CPU only can access directly the primary memory, not the secondary. Okay. Primary storage is also internally. Two main type of memory storage is RAM and ROM. Random access memory and read-only memory. Data from RAM can be read, retrieve, and write. Okay? During processing, okay, whereas data from ROM can just read only. Okay, secondary storage or secondary memory. You can say secondary storage and secondary memory are both in one word. Okay, so secondary storage refers to the external storage device used to store on a long-term based data. Okay, if you want to save the data for a long time, you can save your data on secondary storage. These device stores almost all types of programs and applications. Okay, all types of software we can save on secondary memory. Let's say we have a different types. We have a different games software. We have a MS Office software. Different types of software and application we can save on these devices. Which devices? Secondary storage devices. Okay. Okay, what do you, sorry, you people, what do you people use for memorizing? Even what do we people use for memorizing? Think. Yes, yes, Bache, we use our mind, our brain. So same like this, storing data is used to memorizing memorizing or store the things. Okay. So first we discuss about the disk. First we define what is disk. Any tiny flat circular plate or object is called disk. This is the definition of disk. Okay, some of have you have a confusion okay, why we write on DICK or why we write on DISC. Okay, this is a just a simple you say कि this is just only a language difference. We have a different types of language. In a American language, we have to write on DISK disk. In a British language, we have to write on DISC disk. Okay. So in computer, disk is a flat circular device used to store data. You can see the picture of bache disk here. You can see the picture on your screen. Okay, kinds of disk are here's two kind of disk. The first one is the magnetic disk. The second one is the optical disk. Okay, there are two kinds of disk that we have discussed in this video. The first one is the magnetic disk. The second one is the optical disk. Okay. So here is some example magnetic disk, hard disk, floppy disk and zip disk. These are the magnetic disk. Okay. I just repeat hard disk, floppy disk, zip disk. Again repeat hard disk, floppy disk, zip disk. Okay. I just again want to repeat this कि hard disk, floppy disk and zip disk. Okay. So now you can see the picture. This is the picture of hard disk. Then I show you the picture of floppy disk. And now I show you the picture of zip disk. Okay. So you can see the pictures on your screen, the hard disk, floppy disk, and zip disk. Now we are discussing about the optical disk. Okay. Optical disk mean these disks contain the laser beams to store the data in it. Okay. So optical disk has the CD. CD stands for compact disk. बच्चे. And you can see the picture of compact disk. CDs are you say कि older version. Now we have a new version that is DVD, digital versatile disk. You can see the picture of digital versatile disk DVD. Then we have a Blu-ray disc. All the color is blue in this disc. Okay. Then we have a USB universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. Okay. You can see the picture of USB here. Okay. Now, if you have any kind of question, then you can ask me in your comments. Now it's time to say thank you so much, all of you. If you like this video, then please comment, subscribe this channel, and share this video with your fellows. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz to all.